In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Jira Burndown chart for more effective sprints. By the end of this guide, you'll have a solid understanding of how to leverage this powerful tool to manage your team's workload and ensure your projects stay on track. To start, you'll want to open your Jira dashboard. Once you're there, navigate to your Scrum board. You can find it in the sidebar or by using the board selector at the top of your Jira workspace. After you've accessed your Scrum board, look towards the top panel and click on Reports. This will open a new set of options where you'll want to select the burn down chart from the list. Next, you'll need to choose the relevant sprint you're working on from the drop down menu. Selecting the right sprint is crucial because the data visualized in your burn down chart corresponds directly to the tasks and timeline of that specific sprint. Now let's dive into understanding how to read the Jira burn down chart. The chart itself is structured with two axes. The x-axis represents time, spanning the entire duration of your sprint, while the y-axis shows the remaining work, which could be measured in story points, hours, or the number of issues. You will notice a few key elements within the chart. First, let's talk about the grey line, also known as the guideline. This line acts as an ideal burn down pace, representing where you should be if work progresses smoothly throughout the sprint. Alongside that, you'll see a red line that signifies the actual work remaining. This is essentially tracking your team's real progress as you move through the sprint. There might also be noticeable jumps in your chart. These indicate scope changes. They show when work has been added or removed mid-sprint, which is crucial information for understanding why progress might appear inconsistent. Keep an eye on various key indicators within the chart. For instance, if the red line is above the ideal guideline, it suggests your team is behind schedule. Conversely, if it's below, you're ahead of schedule. A flat line, however, points to stagnation, indicating that no work is being completed. If you notice the line going upward, that's a sign of scope creep, meaning additional work has been added. To ensure you're using burn down charts effectively, there are a few tips to keep in mind. First, break down large tasks into smaller ones. This helps in tracking progress more accurately. Logging work daily is also beneficial. It ensures that your chart has real-time data reflecting task completion. Try to minimize scope changes as they can increase your workload unnecessarily. Lastly, utilize sprint retrospectives to analyze past burn down trends, which will give you insights to improve future sprints. By understanding and applying these practices, you'll be well equipped to manage your team's progress and lead successful, efficient sprints.